Digo, 5:45.
95. ¿Quieren empezar? ¿Quieren empezarla?
Yeah, it's in great shape.
How much you want for this?
This will go like a jewelry kind. I take $5 for it.
It's a work?
Oh yeah. It's got the little tank, little brush, all that in there.
Okay. All right. Give me 5 for it.
That sale just got snake bit.
Good morning, guys. Snake here with the
Tampa Bay Pickers!
We almost hit another squirrel.
I know, I don't know how you missed that one.
These squirrels are just running out into the road.
It looks like you're gonna pick
Make it
them.
right. Okay, so today is Saturday.
Woohoo!
And I have not done
Anything all week.
any picking at all week. Yeah.
I shouldn't say anything. Any picking, to be more specific.
Any sourcing at all.
He's had no vehicle.
Yeah. And it looks like next week is going to be the same because
Down to another one vehicle again.
we got the Sienna back. I'm still waiting on the report from our third-party mechanic so we can submit it to the lawyer and stuff. But then the Hummer started making some interesting noises, so we brought that in. And yeah, it's a good thing that we did because there was a tire that was about to fall off. So yeah, that wouldn't have been good. So we have another $1,000 or so to put in the Hummer, or have to put into the Hummer.
Yeah.
So it looks like that'll be in the shop next week. Just when it piles on, huh?
Yep, that's what it seems like.
Anyway, on a good note, last Saturday was an excellent weekend. We made a ton of money off of what we found already. Yeah, what you guys saw in the last video. A lot of that we purchased last weekend. So I'm hoping, we're gonna make it right here.
Yeah.
I'm hoping this weekend is the same. So, yeah, we'll see you at the first yard sale, guys.
And as you noticed, he did the intro today because apparently Mama Snake not very good at that.
She just needs more practice. All right, guys. See you in a minute. Morning.
He's not real picture. Let me see.
Person's from my life. No, yes.
Yeah, whatever. Offer 3. See how it goes. You need money?
Yes. Precious moments. Look at this one.
Here's a diary book. You don't need that one?
Are those accessories for a scale?
Yeah, they are. It sure frickin' is. It sure is. How much is this box here?
I'm selling them separately, but you make me enough for the whole box.
I don't know. What are you looking to get out of it? I hate making offers. I feel bad.
Honestly, because if you need them, because I use, but those were too big for me.
Yeah.
They go like for 30 each. I was selling them at 5 a piece, but I'll take 25 for the whole box. That's less than what you pay for one.
Do 20 for the whole box?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do that. I'll buy that.
Okay. You both $1.
Merry Christmas, Amy.
Yeah, grab that box. You tell me. On a Pro Combat. Nice. How much is the bat? $3. $3.
Stephanie,
How much are the clothes?
most of them are $1. The jeans are $2.
$1. Okay. Would you do 3 on the Precious Moments?
How about 4?
4? I'll do 4. Okay. So 25, 26, 29. I need 4 ones.
One. Just a little bit pair of shoes, right?
Yeah, just that one.
You can put it away. And it's just like this now.
All right. I believe I owe you 29.
Okay.
So 20 and 4 plus the shirt is 5. So 25.
29.
Yep. Okay. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, you have a good day.
You too. Morning.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
Doing well.
Good.
Hmm? How much are your games?
A buck.
Oh, hey, look. Hold that. Charger.
Probably not.
Okay. What is this here? How much is this right there?
Just $1. I told her I wasn't going to do 30.
So you got $4.
I told her no. We've already gone down.
Or I can just give him a 20. We can make more change.
And I even told her
Or just use that this way.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Y'all have a nice week.
You too. Morning.
Ship it to you. Yeah. Have a good day.
like 10 games in the system.
What are the games in there? Anything good?
Dance on Broadway. Lead this Aragon's
Nah.
Quest.
They can be sold separate too if you don't want the system. I'll sell the games too.
How much are the games?
The games are like 5 each.
5.
So I can give you a deal depending on how many you get. Thank you. Have a good day.
You go 5:45.
¿Quieren empezar? ¿Quieren empezarla?
Yeah, it's in great shape.
How much you want for this?
This will go like a jewelry kind. I'll take $5 for it.
So where?
Oh yeah. It's got the little tank, little brush, all that in there.
Okay. All right. Give me 5 for it.
It has a little drain valve on it and all that.
Yeah. There you go.
Thanks.
Thank you. Hey guys, we are home and we didn't find that much. We were out for almost 4 hours. I think what, 3.5? Yeah, almost 4 hours.
Almost 4 hours.
And we had a lot of yard sales. It started off well, but it kind of trickled off. Yeah. So, but we still made money, so that's the important part, especially on this item here. We'll show you in just a second. But anyway, let's get into what we got here.
Okay, well, we got this little Cars thing. It's brand new in the box. They wanted 5, we paid 3. We actually bought this as a Christmas present for our nephew.
Yeah, that's not for resale. That's we're obviously in fourth quarter. Not only do you stock up for fourth quarter, but
You find new stuff.
you got to
pick
find
it up for Christmas.
yeah, you got to find your Christmas items too.
So we also got a precious moments that says to a very special sister.
Yeah.
For my sister because she collects precious moments. It was really cute.
Yep.
We paid-
Another Christmas present.
Yep, we paid 5 for that.
We paid
And then
4.
4. Oh, okay, 4. And then at that same yard sale, we found a very nice Nike Pro Combat.
Yep.
We
Paid
paid
$1.
$1 for that. It's a medium, so but it's in really great shape.
We'll probably get 15, 20 out of that, somewhere in there.
Yeah.
$17.
And then we found number 13 of the Diary of a Wimpy Kid books. We paid $1 for that.
Yeah.
And then we got this box. Did we get this one there too?
Yes, we got this one
And
here.
we got a Easton Cyclone baseball bat. So it's actually a softball bat.
I think it says fastball.
Well, it says fast pitch. But
Fast
I
pitch,
believe
there
when
you
I
go.
looked it up, it was a softball.
Oh,
bat.
okay.
But I think, if I remember correctly, it goes for about $30.
Yeah, for about $30, and we paid $3.
$3 for that.
Yep.
And then we got this whole box of ResMed. They're the little masks for a
CPAP machine?
Yeah, CPAP machine. So we have to look those up and see what they sell for, but there's a whole bunch of packages in here.
Yeah, there's quite a few in here.
So,
And we should be able to get maybe, we paid $20 for this box.
and I think they sell for about 20.
About
pieces,
$20
I
a
remember.
bag. Yeah. So there's at least 100 or 200 bucks in here. So all size. Well, or is it multiple sizes?
No,
All large.
I think there's some medium. No,
Yeah.
they're all large.
I could have swore I saw a medium. But anyway, you get the idea. Yeah, there's quite a few bags in here. So yeah, I wouldn't even be opposed to lotting that up to somebody, but I don't know if they'd be interested in buying such a large lot of face masks.
We'll
So
see.
anyway,
And then at one yard sale we stopped and we got a couple of Nintendo DS games.
3DS
or
games.
3DS games.
Yeah. Those we're gonna
And-
keep.
Yeah, the cases are in rough shape. And a Tony Hawk Underground.
Yep, not sure what I'm gonna do with that. It was only $1. I picked it up.
Yeah. And then we paid $1 for a charger for
A
a
3DS.
3DS.
Yeah, that we're gonna sell. So we should be able to get I'd say about $20 out of that. maybe more, a little bit more, maybe. No more than about $25, I wouldn't think.
I don't know. Have to look it up
Yeah.
still. And then we did find this Biosonic cleaner. I'm not exactly sure what it cleans.
It's an ultrasonic cleaner. I think
Jewelry?
it can clean jewelry, but I think this particular model, I'm not sure, don't quote me, but I think it can also clean like circuit boards and things to that effect. So, but again, I'm not sure.
It's really dirty.
We bought it for $5.
The guy
and
did say it worked.
yeah, he said it worked. We haven't tested it, obviously, but you know, for the investment, even if it doesn't sell, or I mean, even if it doesn't work, which I'm sure it will, we can most likely sell it for parts or as is for more than $5. But as long as it works,
It sells for about
it sells for about $299, almost $300. So, and brand new, it goes for about $1,100 from what we saw.
Yeah.
So we'd have to do more research on it, but yeah. So that's a good find. That makes the Saturday in itself. So
That was
yeah,
it.
that was it. Yeah. So we had a ton of yard sales, but again, you know, we can't be upset because there is definitely money here, and that's the name of the game, right? So, and I would say these are actually home runs. We didn't find a lot, but the quantity that we found, or the amount that we found, this is going to make us a couple $100, and then this is going to make us a couple $100. So, you know, for 4 hours worth of work, can't complain. I guess let me point it this way. So anyway, I think that's it. So as you know, I said it earlier, I believe, that we dropped off the Hummer.
My Hummer.
Yeah, so I ordered the parts. The parts alone were like $550. Now we got to obviously worry about labor, which I think is going to probably be about another $700. So anyway, point of that is that I'm going to be without a car again this following week.
Which stinks because we won't be going yard sailing next weekend either.
Yeah, we're not going to be sourced. Yeah, next weekend we're probably going to do a video, but it's probably going to be of my daughter's
Jiu-jitsu tournament.
first jiu-jitsu tournament. Yeah, so it won't be a resale vlog. It'll be a
Jiu-jitsu vlog.
a Tampa Bay Pickers vlog. No, I guess it'll be the same thing, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it'll still be a vlog, but it
It'll
just won't
our-
be of us picking.
Yeah, it'll be a personal vlog. I don't even
Yeah,
know.
more personal.
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying. All right, so anyway, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time. Get snake bit.